Hello. So I'm going to solve problem number 1, and this problem is body A of mass 4m moving with a speed u collides with another body B of mass 2m at rest. The collision is head-on and elastic in nature. After the collision, the fraction of energy lost by the colliding body A is. Okay, so what we have, a body of mass 4m. This is body A of mass 4m. Okay, and body B of mass 2m. Body B of mass 2m. Initially velocity, that is u2, is equal to 0, and initial velocity of body A, that is u1, is equal to u. Okay, so after collision, if this is a scenario after collision, let me make it, this is after collision, red one is after collision. Suppose this is v1, and this is v2. Mass is 2m, mass is 4m. This is A, this is B. After collision, this one is after collision, and this is before collision. This is before collision. So I told you to remember 3 formula in last video, and this kind of collision is called one dimension elastic collision. So for one dimension elastic collision, velocity of approach before collision must be equal to velocity of separation after collision. So velocity of approach before collision is u minus 0 is equal to velocity of separation after collision is, that is v2 minus v1. Okay, and I also told you if I want to calculate v1, then this must be equal to, v1 is equal to what, u1 m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 plus m2 plus 2 u1. Here we have taken u1, so this is here u2, and with u2 we have to take mass m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Similarly, you can write v2 also, but we have to find v1 in this case. So v1 is equal to u1. What is u1? u1 is u. M1, what is m1? m1 is 4m. 4m minus what is m2? m2 is 2m divided by m1 plus m2. 4m plus 2m is 6m. What is u2? u2 is 0, so this term is 0. So we will remain with what? M cancel out, M gets cancel out, this m, this m, this m, and 3, this is 2, so this will, we will have u by 3. We will have u by 3. Now what is kinetic energy of particle after collision? After collision, the kinetic energy we have V1 is equal to U by 3. So kinetic energy, what is kinetic energy? So kinetic energy is equal to half m, that is 4m, half m into u by 3 whole square. Okay, so we will have this. Now the kinetic energy lost, what is kinetic energy lost? So lost kinetic energy lost kinetic energy lost is equal to initial kinetic energy, that is half m half m u square minus half m u square by 9. This one I'm writing this quantity by 9. So this will give us 1 by 2 4m u square. If we take common, then we will left with 1 minus 1 by 9. So this will 8 by 9. So the fraction in this question, we have asked the fraction. So what is the fraction? So fraction, I am writing it in round. So fraction is equal to what? This quantity half into 4m into u square into this will be 8 by 9 divided by, this is 8 by 9, divided by initial energy is half 4m into u square. So this will get cancelled out and we will remain with 8 by 9. So the answer is A. Okay, so thank you.